Something's eating my plant. Okay, I can find it. We got another one here. See that? Okay, here it is. Now this is a big one. This is a big one. See how big this thing is? I'm gonna pull this one off of here. It don't have any wasp eggs on it. Come on. Boy, they're hard to get off. They hold on very tight. Okay, here. Check this big guy out. Isn't that huge? You don't want me to play with him. That there is a big one. But I am going to mash him. He's just chewing my plant up. I'll put a couple video pictures in there on that, because I'll show you how you step on them and mash them. Big, he's huge. I'll get some pictures of him. This is a tomato worm. They call them tomato worm or a horn worm. Got a horn on the back of them. Right there, see it? I don't think it can stick you or anything. I think it's soft. Yeah, it's soft. Okay. Here's another one. I'll just pull them off like that. Then I put them on the ground and step on them. And my poor plant. Oh, my poor plant. It's rough. But if I keep looking at it every day, maybe they won't destroy me. You know? Sometimes you'll find them full of cocoons, and sometimes they got nothing on them. One year, I picked 15 of these off of this tomato plant area where I put these tomatoes in. And boy, they're just stripping this thing dead. So far, it hit me with 3 of them so far. I gotta wash it every day. This is the time, August, around the 1st of August is when they're all traveling. That one on top, I'm gonna mash. The one on the bottom, I'll take him back in the woods and let the wasp take over and eat him.